Welcome to a funny English lesson with 20 feelings for kids.
Excited.
Excited.
I feel excited about my birthday. Scared.
Scared.
I am scared of the big dog. Sad.
Sad.
I feel sad when my toy is broken. Angry.
Angry.
I feel angry at my friend. Happy.
Happy.
I feel happy when I play with my friends. Bored.
Bored.
I feel bored when there is nothing to do. Surprised.
Surprised.
I was surprised to see a puppy. Nervous.
Nervous.
I feel nervous before a test. Proud.
Proud.
I feel proud after winning the football match. Confused.
Confused.
I feel confused when I don't understand. Lonely.
Lonely.
I feel lonely when my friends are not here. Grateful.
Grateful.
I feel grateful for my family and friends. Jealous.
Jealous.
She was jealous of her sister's exam score. Hopeful.
Hopeful.
I feel hopeful that I will do well. Disappointed.
Disappointed.
I feel disappointed when it rains. Curious.
Curious.
I feel curious about how plants grow. Calm.
Calm.
I feel calm when I listen to music. Embarrassed.
Embarrassed.
He was embarrassed by his mistakes. Grumpy.
Grumpy.
She felt grumpy today. Satisfied.
Satisfied.
They were satisfied with their trip to the zoo.